Cha. Starting with your right toe to the right side, you're going to half monterey over your right shoulder as you bring the left out to the side. Cross the left over the right, stepping back on the right as you bring your left beside the right, pushing your bum out. Then do 2 walks forward, going right, left. Locking the right behind the left, you're going to anchor step in place before doing a whole turn over your left shoulder, going half, half. Side chassé to the left with a cha, cha, cha. Cross rock right over left and recover before you do a side chassé to the right with a cha, cha, cha. Hold for count 2, bring the left beside the right as you step to the right side. Now repeat that again, and on the next one add a quarter turn right. You're now going to step forward on the left as you half pivot over your right shoulder, weights right. Now do a left lock step before kicking the right toe forward, stepping the right back as you now touch the left toe beside the right as you then left lock forward, locker step. Step forward on the right as you half pivot turn over the right shoulder before now doing a quarter turn into a side chassé to the right. Section 5, you're now going to cross the left behind the right as you cross rock recover. We're going to rock the left to the left side as you rock and cross the left over the right. We're going to step back on the right as you now dip a little bit, pushing your bum out for dip. Then step the left to the left side into a cross shuffle, crossing the right over the left for cross and cross. Rock the left to the left side as we recover, making a quarter turn onto the right. Now into a left lock step before doing a full turn over the left shoulder with a half, half. Now to finish that section, we're going to do a rock right to the right side, recover and cross the right over the left. This has naturally taken our body to the diagonal, so we're now going to side rock recover, then a behind side cross to the right, crossing the left behind side, crossing left over right. Repeat the same on the right for side rock, this time doing a behind side quarter turn to the left. You're nearly home and dry, so now step forward on the left as you half pivot turn over your right shoulder. You're now going to do a half turning lock. So quarter turn right, stepping left to left side, locking the right over the left before quarter turn right, stepping back on the left. Rock back on the right as you recover onto the left before stepping forward on the right and then stepping left next to right for end of dance. I will now do the whole dance with counts. Starting 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and weights left to start the dance again. There is a restart on wall 5 after 32 counts when you're facing the 12 o'clock wall. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, and you'll be restarting facing the 6 o'clock wall. Thank you for watching. That was Vanotek Cha by Garyo'reilly. I'm back, 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 baby, I'm back.